To insert a web form into an email, the first thing we are going to do is to click on the Emails module in the menu bar. Then create a new email. In the CentrixOne Templates tab, there are multiple email templates you can choose from. In our case, to specifically create a web form, we are going to choose a blank template. To easily identify each web form in your list of templates, we recommend calling this template the name of the web form. Click Save. We will now build our web form. From the Content tab, click and drag a dynamic content block. Click on the block and choose the web form that we want, in this case, email. Above the dynamic content block, we can put in the name of the web form or a message that we want our clients to see. If you do not wish to enter any text, click on the blue cross arrow icon. Then click on the garbage can to delete this section. Now, for the web form to open properly, there must be a text or a divider above or below the dynamic content block. As we do not wish to have text in this case, let's go ahead and insert a divider. From the Content tab, click and drag a divider above the dynamic content block. Remember, if you do not insert a text or a divider, the web form will not open properly. When we click on the Preview button to view our web form, the email will automatically save. In the Preview window, the system generates a URL, which we will copy from the browser's address bar. Let's go back and click on Back to Emails. Now we will create the email in which our web form will be included. Click on the New Email button. I am going to choose a pre-made template for this email. Let's give it a name and save. The link to the web form can be inserted into a text or a button. Let's start by inserting it into a button. Click on the button and paste the URL in here. To insert the web form into a text, select the text. And in the text formatting window, look for this icon to insert or edit a link. Click on the icon and paste your URL. Here you can decide if you wish to have the text underlined to highlight that it is a link, or if you want the link to open in a new window. Let's preview our email. When you click on the Preview button, the email will automatically save. This is what our email will look like when our clients receive it. When they click on the linked text or button, the web form will appear. Let's review what we have created. Navigate back to the Emails module. This is the email that we just previewed, which our clients will receive. And here is the email that contains the dynamic content, which generates the URL to our web form. This will remain as a draft email. If you delete it, the link to the web form will no longer work. To ensure that the web form link isn't accidentally deleted, we recommend that you click on the pen icon. Here, remove access to all users. Once you click Save, a lock icon appears, which means that this email will be private to the user who created it, ensuring no other user unintentionally deletes this draft email.